Here's the news of the day. Ascent Aerosystems has added key leadership roles in marketing, business development, and compliance to boost brand awareness and market growth in core sectors. A Tennessee Army National Guard crew rescued an injured hiker in the Great Smoky Mountains, transporting them to a nearby hospital for emergency care. Horizon Aircraft is progressing its Cavorite X7 eVTOL development with full-scale testing, aiming for certification and use in emergency and military operations. Matternet received Switzerland's first light UAS operator certificate, allowing self-authorized drone deliveries and expanding operations across Europe. Westar Aviation Academy graduated its first class of 23 students, who are now testing for their FAA airframe license, while welcoming 25 new apprentices for the next class. 4Air appointed Maureen Gauthier as European Program Manager to lead sustainability growth in Europe, enhancing the company's regional presence and initiatives. Syndags launched the South American Agricultural Aviation and Firefighting campaign showcases agricultural aviation's role in firefighting, with over 36 companies involved this season. Queensland's fire season aerial fleet, including a 10,000-liter LAT and helicopters, is ready to support ground crews in combating fast-spreading grass fires this year. Ontario's Ministry of Natural Resources tests aerial firefighting aircraft to enhance wildfire management and future resource planning. Governor Newsom activated the California National Guard to support the fight against the line fire in San Bernardino, deploying helicopters, C-130s, and hand crews to assist nearly 2,000 firefighters. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.